So hello everyone, my name is Sambhaji Bhosle, and today's video topic is exception handling. Okay, so first of all, in this video I am going to explain about what is exception handling and what are the examples, real life examples of exception handling. Okay, along with that I am going to tell you what are the different types of exception handling. Means there are three types of exception handling, that is check exception handling, uncheck, and error exception handling. So these are exception handlings. Along with that, I'll give separate examples, real life examples of all of these. Okay, and after that, we are going to discuss about the some keywords like threads, trend keyword. Okay, and try and catch keywords. So we are going to discuss about all these things. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, what is the exception handling? Okay, so the definition of a exception handling is means exception handling is one of the powerful mechanism, okay, and that handle runtime errors. So whenever we are coding in Java or any programming languages, the regular flow of program and we get output. Okay, but for example, if we get a output because of some exceptions, so uh, it divide means it divides the program and it interrupt the program from regular flow. Okay, so to avoid these problems, to avoid these errors, we use exception handling in our program. Okay, so let's take an example. For example, your regular routine, you woke up at the morning, early morning, to for your job or any class institute. Okay, and then you take a bath, or after that you are dress up and you go to your parking, you turn on your vehicle and you reach to your institute or company, whatever you have. Okay, but this is your regular schedule. Okay, but instead of that, for example, this schedule, like you woke up in the morning, you take a bath, you dress up, and you check, you go in your parking and you check that your vehicle tire is punctured. Okay, so your routine is stopped there. Means there is some inter there is some exception is occur there. Okay, so to avoid this issue, means you have to reach your class on time. So to avoid this issue, you know that in certain days or after some days, your vehicle tire may be or get punctured. So you already prepare a new cycle instead of your vehicle, means your bike. Then what happen if you saw your tire is punctured, so you take your bicycle and reach your destination at a time, within a time. So this is the exception handling. The same thing is happen in the exception handling, because whenever we are coding in Java and we know that at a certain point we get error or some exception, so already we apply some extra keywords, means for example try catch keywords, so you can avoid these errors and you can get your proper output as you want. Okay, so this is the best example of exception handling. Okay, so there are three types of exception handlings are available in Java. Okay, so that is first of all check exception, second is uncheck exception, and third one is error. Okay, so these are three exception handlings. So first of all we are going to means we are going to discuss about a check exception. What is a check exception? Okay, so in a check exception, the the class the throwable class inherited all the properties except runtime exception and errors are known as check exception handling, a check exception. Okay, so let's take a real life example of a check exception. Okay, so first of all, if you have a senior, okay, and his coding knowledge is very good. Okay, and you and but after that, but that senior have addicted towards the cigarette and alcohol. Okay, so these are the exception of that senior. Okay, means he has some properties and he has some disadvantages. Okay, so whenever we are learning from him, so what check exception learn only his good things, right? Means his coding skill. Okay, so he acquire his coding skill except his bad habit like the smoking and drinking. So this is the example of a check exception. Okay, and second one is uncheck exception. So in a uncheck exception, the throwable class inherit all the properties and behaviors, whether it is bad or good, doesn't matter. Okay, so same example. Some student have good knowledge in coding and he also addicted towards the alcohol and cigarette, for example. So the unchecked student inherit all the properties of his good properties and his bad properties, means properties and behaviors acquire, means doesn't matter he have good qualities or bad qualities. So this is the uncheck exception. Okay, and error is a very different from the exceptions, because when we got errors, when you for example you are coding and you forget to give semicolons, or you forget to give close or open parentheses or curly brackets, then that time you got some error. So these are not exceptions, these are your normal runtime errors. Okay, so these are the three types of exception handlings. Okay, so let's discuss about some keywords that are we use in exception handling. That is a try keyword, catch keyword, finally keywords, and throws keywords. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So first of all, try keywords. Try keyword is used to specify a block. Means so for example we know some at some point we got exception, so we applied try keyword before that line. Okay, and after that the try keyword is followed by the catch or final keyword. Okay, so we discuss about catch and final later. Okay, so next one is the catch keyword. Okay, so catch keyword, what catch keyword does, for example we got a error, means we got an exception in try, then that catch what catch does, the instead of that line he changed some other output. For example we have a arithmetic expression like a by 0. Okay, means a divided by 0, then we got a arithmetic exception there. So instead of that, what catch does, catch create another output, that is something went wrong. For example something went wrong, and instead of saying error he print something went wrong in this code. Okay, so this is the work of a catch keyword, and which is follow, means catch keyword is follow try keyword. Okay, and the next one is final keyword. Final keyword block is used to execute the important code of the program. Okay, and it is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Okay, so next one is throws keyword. So throws keyword is used to inherit the properties of another class. Okay, means throw keyword is used to declare exceptions, means it is used to declare exceptions, and it doesn't throw exceptions. It specially that there are many occurs of exception in the methods. Okay, so it is always used while method signature. Okay, so these are the 5 keywords of exception handling. Okay, so let's take one practical example of exception handling. Okay, so for example we have 10 statements. Okay, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, statement 5, and so and up to 10. Okay, so if in statement 5 we occur an exception in a at statement 5, okay, then rest of the code will be not executed because of that exception. Okay, so 6 to 10 are not declared, but 1 to 4 can declare. But when we got out exception at the line number 5, so after 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, they are not executed. Okay, so if we can apply exception, means we can apply exception, means try catch keyword at a number 5, then we can resolve that exception and we can print our whole output. Okay, means this is the way to declare an exception and we can get output of whole code. Okay, so this is all about the exceptions. Okay, and that's it for the video. Thank you so much.